Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, but for right now, I am just doing Wednesdays until I am back to 100%, which I'm almost there. So today we're going to do a sublimation tumbler. The Stainless Depot has these 40-ounce kind of like the Stanleys that you can sublimate on, and I just had to grab one. I have a faux Stanley and I love it, so I thought for sure I would love that too. So I found this on Creative Fabrica and printed it out. On this I had to use the 11 by 17 sheet because the top part was just so big that it would not have fit on the 8.5 by 11. So here I'm just trimming down. This is going to go around the bottom, and I'm trying to cut it not perfectly, but close enough to those flowers so that, because I wasn't sure if this was going to go up towards that curve or not. And it ended up it didn't, so really it wasn't necessary to do all of that. But here I'm also cleaning up the tumbler with alcohol, and then I'm going to wrap around the bottom and secure that with the heat tape. And they're going to do the same thing with the top portion. Now, I have become so obsessed with Highland cows, and when I saw this, I just had to make a tumbler for myself. Now, the top was a little bit more tricky because it does have the little metal things that come out to where the handle attaches. So I did kind of have to see where I wanted to place that. And I knew that I wanted the cow to be in the front and not on the side. So I kind of had to move that around and cut some slits where the little metal things are, just to get this exactly where I wanted it. And then when I kind of put the tumbler down to where I wanted it, rolled it to get a little indents on the metal part, and then I took my X-Acto knife and cut slits so that would slide right over the those little metal parts. And just make sure that I get it on there tight enough, and then when I'm happy with where it all is, I will use heat tape to secure that. So I'm going to use a lot of tape on the upper portion of this and just making sure that I get that tape around there tight. One thing I didn't do was around the little metal parts, didn't put tape around there, and I should have, but it's still fine. You really can't tell because when you put the handle on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my convection oven, 400 degrees, for a total of 5 minutes, and I flip it over halfway through. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of this. I did put parchment paper on it because, of course, nothing else was going to fit over this. So I'm going to remove all of the tape, and I am so obsessed with how this turned out. So look how cute this is. The flowers just pop. I can't imagine doing a full on coverage for this because of the curves. I don't know. But anyway, time to go ahead and put the handle on. So I'm just kind of fitting it on there. They have 2 slots for it to see where they go in fits the best. And then it comes with the screws that you just put in there. The one in the inside was a little more difficult because you kind of had to go at an angle. But I was able to get it in there no problem. And then the screw on the bottom, of course, went in with no issues. Now that that handle is on, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the lid and the straw. It comes with a metal straw with a silicone like mouth piece. So it's great. It comes with everything that you need. And the only thing left to do with this is hand wash it and use it. So I just look how cute this is. And I'm inserting a picture of it out in the sun. And I just absolutely am obsessed with this. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.